In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the voice in Claude App Quick Guide 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the voice options, how to preview different styles, and how to make sure your new choice is active. Start by opening the Claude app and heading into Settings. To get there, tap your profile icon or the three-line menu in the corner of the screen. Depending on your layout from the menu that opens, choose Settings. This is where you control app-wide preferences like notifications, accessibility, and, of course, voice. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Voice, Speech, or Audio Settings. The exact name can vary slightly based on your device or app version, but they all lead to the same place, the voice options. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll through the categories. On some devices, it's grouped under General Preferences. If the option still isn't visible, make sure your app is up to date, since voice features sometimes roll out gradually. Once you're in the voice options, browse the available voices. You'll typically see a selection that varies by tone, pace, and accent. Tap any voice to hear a short preview. Give each one a few seconds so you can judge clarity, speed, and warmth. If the first preview takes a moment to load, that's normal. Just let it buffer and play through. As you listen, think about where you'll use it most. For example, a brighter, crisper voice can cut through background noise during commutes, while a calmer tone might feel more natural for longer conversations. When you found a voice you like, select it. In most cases, your choice is applied automatically. If you see a button labeled Apply, Save, or Done, tap it to confirm. Otherwise, you can simply back out of the menu. Exit Settings to return to the main screen. Your new voice should now be set and ready. To test it, start a voice conversation with Claude, speak a quick prompt, and listen to the reply to confirm the change took effect. If you're still hearing the previous voice, revisit the voice options, reselect your choice, and try again. Also double-check your device volume and any Bluetooth connections, since those can affect what you hear. And that's all there is to it. You open Settings, found the voice or speech section, previewed the options, chose your favorite, saved your selection, and tested it. Enjoy using a voice that fits your style, and feel free to come back to this menu anytime to switch things up as your needs change.